Hi everyone, this is Krishna, Maths IIT faculty. Today we have to discuss IIT second chapter polynomials. Okay, in this chapter what we have to learn, see here. Here what is polynomial? First we have to discuss what is polynomial, and second one is types of polynomial, See here flowchart I will write here. Polynomial definition and types of polynomials. Types of polynomials based on degree. Here types of polynomial based on terms. Next see here polynomial based on degree. Here degree means 0 degree. Degree is 0, then this is constant polynomial. 1 degree. Polynomial's degree is 1 means linear polynomial. Degree 2 means quadratic polynomial. Next degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Next degree 4 means by quadratic polynomial. Next types of polynomial based on terms. Only one term as given means that is monomial. 2 terms as given means binomial. 3 terms as given means trinomial. Again here binomial. In binomial, this is one theorem also there, binomial theorem. Here we have to discuss about factorial notation. And second one is here binomial expansion. Next one, in this binomial expansion we have to find the middle term and general term. Okay. Next one is we have to discuss here remainder theorem. Next one is factor theorem. Remainder theorem, factor theorem. Next one is Horner synthetic method. Synthetic division. Horner synthetic division. Thereafter last concept is LCM and ACF. LCM and ACF of polynomials. We know that the LCM and ACF of numbers, but we have to apply LCM and ACF to this polynomials. This is the flow chart. Each and everything we have to discuss. Here first today we have to discuss here types of polynomials based on degree and based on terms. Up to here we have to discuss today. Now see here, this is aim 1. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. Involving variables and positive powers. See, polynomial means A polynomial is a it is an algebraic expression involving variables and positive or non-negative powers. See, now this is the polynomial. It's the standard form. What is the standard form? Standard form of polynomial. See here. The standard formula of a polynomial, it is represented by p of x or f of x. Here a0 plus a1 x to the power of a1 x or a0 x to the power of n. You can take any one also, no problem. a0 a1 x plus a2 x square plus up to so on an x power n, where an is not equal to 0, an is not equal to 0, and a0 a1 a2 up to so on an are constants, and here 1 2 3 4, that means here n belongs to w or z plus, that means this is a non-negative integers, its powers. Here this is 0 1 2 3 up to so on n. This is a polynomial. It's a standard formula. Now we have to discuss types of polynomials based upon degree and based upon terms. First one, see here, types of polynomials based on terms. First, based on terms. See here, based on terms. Here only one term has given, means that is called the monomial. 2 terms means binomial. 3 terms means trinomial. See here, a x to the power of 5 and 2x power 7 and 3t power 8. These all are monomials. Here, suppose here negative has given 3t power minus 8, means that is not a polynomial. Why? Because clearly I mentioned only positive powers. Okay, see here, positive powers means which belongs to z plus or w. Suppose 1 by root 2 x, this is not a polynomial. Why? Because here it is written as 1 by root 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2. X to the power of 1 by 2, it is going to numerator, means what happened? This is negative power. Negative power means this is not a polynomial. Now see here, monomial. First one is monomial. It is called the monomial. A polynomial contain only one term is called the monomial, and a polynomial contain 2 terms which is separated plus or minus. That polynomial is called the binomial. See here, a x square plus b and 2x cube minus 3x 4x plus 3. Here 2 terms are there. This is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is. Okay, this is called the binomial. Binomial. 3 terms which are separated plus or minus, no problem. Ax square plus bx plus c and 2x cube minus 3x plus 2 and 3x square minus 4x minus 2. These all are called trinomial. Here first, according based on terms means only one term means monomial, 2 terms means binomial, 3 terms means trinomial. Okay, now based on degree, types of polynomials based on degree. See here, Degree 0. Degree 0 means here 7. You can write one variable 7x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 means 1. Then 7 into x power 0. This is called the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial, its degree is equal to 0. That polynomial called the constant polynomial. Here, what is degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Suppose here 2x cube plus 4x square plus 3. Here what is the degree means here 3. Suppose you have to take multinomial or one more 2xy plus 3x cube y plus 7x. What is the degree of the polynomial here? Here 1 plus 1 2, here 3 plus 1 4, here 1. This is 4. 4. Two variables as given, not one variable, two variables as given. Then its polynomial degree is 4. That's why what is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Here constant polynomial means a polynomial, its degree is equal to 0. That polynomial is called the constant polynomial. And its degree is 1, 2x plus 3. This is degree is 1. Then this is called the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Here degree 2 means degree 2. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Degree is 2. This is called the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So degree is 3. Degree is 3 means here 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Its degree is 3. This is called the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Degree 3 means cubic polynomial. Suppose degree 4 means here 4x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4. Its degree is 4. Okay, here this is 3 times, but its highest degree is 4. That's why this is a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Okay, this is a biquadratic polynomial. Now, what is multinomial? Next one is multinomial. Multinomial means here two or more polynomials are called the multinomials. Here a multinomial means two or more polynomials. All polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials are not polynomials. How it is means, you have to give one example. Here x to the power of minus 2 plus xy plus 2. This is a multinomial. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because its power is negative. That's why this is not a multinomial. All polynomials are multinomial. You can take here plus. This is also polynomial. At the same time, this is also multinomial. Okay, two or more terms are called the multinomials. Here, this is the multinomial. Next one. 0 of the polynomial and 0 polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? A polynomial is equal to 0. That polynomial is called the 0 of the polynomial. Here x square minus 5x plus 6. This is an expression. This is a quadratic polynomial. It is equal to 0. This is called the 0 of the polynomial. Here how many roots are there here? Here two roots. One is x minus 3 into x minus 2. This is correct or not? You can check it. You know that. Already I explained in the NCERT. Splitting of middle terms. Here this is A, B, C. 1 into 6. 6. This 6 is splitting. Here minus 5, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is good, minus 5. At the same time minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Now we can write here x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms you have to take common x minus 2. In these two terms you can take common minus 3. Now x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this total term x minus 2 you have to take common, remaining x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this term also equal to 0, this term also equal to 0. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 3. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is a, here 2 and 3 means it is this like. It is intersect x-axis at how many points, that is called the solution of this polynomial. Okay, now what is zero polynomial? A polynomial all constants are equal to 0, that is called the zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means, see here, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is a polynomial. Here a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 0, then this is called the zero polynomial. What the zero polynomial means? A polynomial all coefficients or constants equal to 0, that is called the zero polynomial. Okay, this is aim 1 concept completed. Now we have to discuss some problems. Okay, now first question challenges aim 1. If a x to the power of n minus 1 plus b x to the power of n minus 2 plus c x to the power of n minus 3 is a cubic polynomial where n belongs to capital N, then find the value of n. See here, very clearly we know that this is answer ax to the power of n minus 1 plus bx to the power of n minus 2 plus c x to the power of n minus 3. See here, x value here decreases, n value decreases. See here, n value decreases. Here 1 decrease, here 2 decrease, here 3 decreases. Then we want, this is the highest degree, n minus 1 is the highest degree. That highest degree is equal to 3. Here cubic polynomial is equal to, cubic polynomial means its degree is 3. Then n minus 1 is equal to 3. Then n is equal to this one side and that side. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now you can write here 4 a x to the power of 4 minus 1, 3. A b x to the power of 4 minus 2 means 2. Plus c x to the power of 4 minus 3 means 1. Now see here, this is a cubic polynomial. Okay, note down. Next, second one, find the 0 of the polynomial 5x minus 6. Here 0 of the polynomial means a polynomial is equal to 0, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. Then 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. This 6 is on this side. 5x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 by 5. This is the answer. Note down. Okay, next third problem. If 0 of the polynomial ax minus 10 is 5, then find the value of a. See here, ax minus 10 is equal to 0. A polynomial is equal to 0, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. Here 0 of the polynomial is 5. Then first you can find here x is equal to, ax is equal to this 10 and that side plus 10. Now x is equal to 10 by a. But this is the 0 of the polynomial. It is equal to how much? 5. Then 5 ones are 5 twos are. Then a is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Or if you don't know, this like means, confused means, you can write here. Cross multiply. 5 into a, 5a is equal to 10. Then a is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Note down. Okay, next fourth question. If a minus 2 into x square plus b minus a into x plus c plus b is a 0 polynomial, then find the value of a, b and c. See here, no need any confusion. Here clearly they mentioned 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means all the coefficients are equal to 0. 0 of the polynomial means here half they are also given means this polynomial is equal to 0. Here half has not given. That's why here coefficients only equal to 0. This is x square coefficient is a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2. Then b minus a is equal to 0, then b is equal to a, then b is equal to a, already we know that 2, then you can write here 2. Next c plus b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus b, then c is equal to, already we know that b is equal to 2, then this is 2. Okay, now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 2. Note down. Okay, next one is classroom package. In this classroom package, first one is parallel package. First question, among of the following not a polynomial is. Here, which one is polynomial, which one is not a polynomial is, a polynomial, its powers is non-negative. See here, this is also positive. This is a polynomial, this is also positive polynomial, this is also polynomial, this is not a polynomial. Why? Because 2 into, this is write as x to the power of 3, 1 by 3, then 6x. Again this is rewrite as 2 into, here this is write as x to the power of minus 3 minus 6. Now this is negative power, that's why this is not a polynomial. Note down. Okay, next one, among the following a monomial is. Monomial means only one term, that is called the monomial. Here this is one term, this is a binomial, trinomial. Our answer is first one. Note down. Next, third one, among the following a trinomial. Trinomial is here, which one is trinomial? This is a trinomial and this is also trinomial. Both are trinomials. And among the following a trinomial. Trinomial means this is a trinomial. Okay, note down. Okay, next fifth one, very fundamental question. The degree of a monomial x square, y square, z square is. See here. Its a degree means how to calculate means here 3 different variables as given. Here 3 different variables, here powers you have to add. Here x square, y square, z square, 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here what is the degree? It's a monomial degree 6. The degree of a polynomial x plus 5x square plus 10x to the power of 9 is. Here what is the highest degree of this polynomial? 9. Then this is the third option. Note down. Okay, next seventh one, the degree of a monomial 100 is. 100, it is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, how to write means 100 into x to the power of 0. Then its degree is 0. Now, eighth one, among the following a polynomial is. See here, polynomial means first you have to consider its power is non-negative. This is a polynomial, its degree is positive, your degree is negative, this is not a polynomial. This is a not a rational number, this is not a integer, positive integer or whole number. This is a rational number. That's why this is also not possible, this is also not possible. Okay, our answer is first one. Note down. Okay, next ninth question. A polynomial p of x is equal to a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus up to so on an x to the power of n, where a1 is equal to a2 is equal to a3 up to so on an is equal to 0 is called. See here, in this polynomial all coefficients are equal to 0. Then this polynomial is called 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. Not here 0 of the polynomial also given. Okay, here 0 polynomial. Note down. Okay, next one passage type question has given. See here, the sum of the exponents of the variables is a monomial is called the degree of the monomial. Here, one monomial, here different variables has given means the degree of that monomial means you have to add all powers. Sum of the all powers is called the degree of the monomial. Next one is the highest power of the terms in the polynomial is called the degree. One polynomial has given means its a degree means the highest power you have to take. Now here 3 questions has given. Here 10th question, the degree of x minus 10 is. Here degree here x its power is 1. That's why its degree is 1. Next 11th one, the degree of pi by 3 m square n power 5 p power 10. This is a monomial. Monomial means then what we will do here, its powers we can add here 2 plus 5 plus 10 is equal to 17. Its degree is 17. Next one is the degree of 0 is. Degree of 0 means it is degree means here 0 into x power 0. This is 0 only. This is a constant. 0 means note down. Okay, now this is Emerald package. First one, if f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 2 by x square plus 3 by x cube minus 4 by x power 4, we should multiply it with dash to make it is a polynomial. First we have to write here 1 by x is write as x to the power of minus 1 and 2 by x power 2 you write as 2 into x to the power minus 2, then 3 into x to the power minus 3 and 4 into x to the power minus 4. Now here we have to multiply by which polynomial. This is become is a polynomial. This is not a polynomial, this is a multinomial. We can multiply with here highest degree is minus 4. This is not a degree. Actually we have to multiply with x power 4. Then this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now we can multiply x power minus 1 plus 4, 3. 2 into, actually you know that powers and exponents. Bases equal means powers we can add. Here x square, here x power 4. Minus 2 plus 4, 2. 3 into x minus 4. X power 4 minus 4 plus 4. Both are equal to 0. Then x power 0 is equal to 1. This is a polynomial means our answer is fourth one. Okay, thank you children watching my video. Okay, next class we have to explain second aim.